Yay! Do you want to dance with the baby?
No.
No? Just dance. Show me how you dance. Go see what Daddy's doing. Daddy's shoveling the snow. It's covering the whole backyard. You see? There's our grill, half buried.
Oh, your video recording?
Yeah. Look at the pretty trees. The parking lot over there is covered with snow.
Our flip-flops are when we want to go outside.
Yay. No, Lauren comes on Monday, honey. Not today. You can go to the library on Monday. Obsessed with the library. Got a pretty tree with all the presents. There's Magellan. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.